Let's take a simple exercise and split this single body into two parts or two body. See, if you see here, this is one body. Okay, we extrude some holes and everything, fillet. Now let's split this body. Right click, split. If you see this direction, select this eye and it will open insert, molds and split feature. See here, even this split feature also available in feature. See, now first you have to choose the plane or line edge which help to split body. So either you can select any plane, or I'm going to select this sketch. See this sketch created on this surface. Now next option is you have to apply cut part. Look, see, if I move my cursor, these body divided into two with the help of sketch or line. See, now resulting body, these are the resulting body. There is no name. You can double click and give the name to body 1, body 2, whatever. Okay, now you have to select these two body. Okay, let's say I'm going to select one body and here select cut consume body. It means if you want to cut any one body, say okay. See, one side body is trimmed, consumed, and remaining is balanced here. But if you want to keep both, edit and here select both and here unchecked consume, cut consume bodies. Okay, look, both the body is here. Now we have two bodies. See how we can use split tool and cut a body into two body. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.